Definitely a beautiful sight there. Actually saw some of those near the Target here in Harlingen there. But as far as right now, if you are heading out the door, here's a look at South Padre Island. We're seeing some showers that are just offshore there. Able to see those clouds and those showers. You're able to see the rain just falling over the water there as we head into the next few hours. If you are looking at the current temps right now, McAllen 78, Harlingen 75, Brownsville at 77. Here's a look at the NBC 23 Farborough in the Upper Valley. We are expecting mostly clear conditions for the Upper Valley, but high resolution radar is showing those isolated downpours that are just offshore. Those showers that I showed you about moving closer to the island, so we could see these move inland within the next probably hour or two there. But of course, some downpours occurring near Arroyo City. There is just this one moving into Willacy County heading towards Port Mansfield. So if you are heading out fishing, just keep in mind that you have some rain coming within the next 30 minutes for folks in Port Mansfield. Future clouds and radar, once that sea breeze frontal boundary moves inland, we're going to see some of these showers and storms move towards Harlingen, Raymondville as we head into the next few hours for the afternoon hours mainly. And we could see some of these isolated downpours making their way into the Upper Valley once again like we saw yesterday. Rain not as widespread. A lot of us didn't get rain yesterday, but a couple of us did see some of those downpours. We're going to be clear overnight, and we're going to be clear at least for the next few days there. That high pressure system building in across the state of Texas, that's going to bring a lot of sunshine to the Lone Star State as well as us here down in the valley. So we are expecting those conditions to remain mostly quiet through the end of the work week starting tomorrow, with some isolated showers moving through for this next weekend. But we're going to keep that rain chance at a minimum from here on out after today. Hurricane Fiona moving out of the Dominican Republic back over open water, strengthening back to a Category 3 hurricane, winds gusting up to 140 miles an hour. This is strengthening back into a major hurricane. A Category 4 hurricane is expected. This is from the National Hurricane Center, but also we have another disturbance that we're going to have to keep an eye on. Fiona not posing a threat to the U.S., but this next one, we very well likely could see this move into the Caribbean, closer towards the Gulf of Mexico. Weather models hinting around that we could see some activity closer to Cuba. National Hurricane Center giving that a 40% chance of development within the next 5 days. So definitely a system that we're going to have to keep an eye on fairly closely as we head into the rest of this work week, as we are still rather in the peak of hurricane season. As far as your dog walk forecast, those temps warming up into the low 80s, up to 84 degrees by 10 a.m. We're going to start off mostly sunny, but for our coastal areas, we very well likely could see that rain linger around the coast. And then once we get to the noon hour, of course, those storms moving inland towards Harlingen, Brownsville, Upper Valley topping it at 94, Lower Valley 93, east-northeast winds at 5 to 10 miles an hour. As far as your 7-day forecast, rain chances going away as we head to the first day of fall.